Some more breaking news that's coming in at this point. It's coming in from Karnataka, where the big question is, are guarantees backfiring for the Congress? Congress MLAs have issued an appeal to the Chief Minister saying revoke 2 to 3 guarantee schemes. Free travel schemes must be cancelled. Is Karnataka going the Himachal way? Crossing over to my colleague Neha to bring us more on this. Neha, can you explain why exactly the leaders are asking for the repeal of these schemes?
Well, Aisha, yes, in fact, this was just one MLA there from the Congress party who's in fact, gone on to now ask the Chief Minister, saying that he would request the Chief Minister to cancel 1 or 2 of the guarantees there as people are not being able to receive homes. Now, of course, you have the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka there, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, responding to the statement there by the MLA, suggesting that he would be issued a show-cause notice, that there's absolutely no question of the guarantees being stopped in the state. Now, of course, we must also remember that the Congress party, in fact, even in the recently concluded by-polls, took pride in the fact that it was their guarantees that, really worked for them, for the masses, and which is why they managed to, in fact, bag all 3 seats. Now, with all of that being said, of course, we'll really have to wait and see now. Action that's being mulled against this MLA over here is what the party president says. But as far as the context of his statement is concerned, he did go on to say that, we would respect the decision of the Chief Minister, that he's merely requesting that 1 or 2 guarantees, in fact, be cancelled there in order to be able to provide homes to the people, but that the decision of the Chief Minister, of course, is final and binding and would be respected.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for joining us and getting us those key details. We will continue to track the developments here.
ಇವಾಗೇನಂದರೆ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮನೆಗಳು ಕೊಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 2-3 ಈ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾವ 1-2 ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪರಾಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 40,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು 1-2 ಮಾತು.
This is Congress party. I am going to issue my show-cause notice. We can't do that. No question of closing any guarantee. Whatever may the cost come, we are committed to the people of Karnataka. We will implement it, and anyone can't raise the voice. Anyone. So, if any eligible is there, now who is not eligible, we will rectify. That is what we are doing in this BPL card. So like that, who is not eligible, who doesn't want, we can think of. A Congress MLA can't speak anything, or even a worker. I am going to issue my show-cause notice. This is a commitment from the Congress party to the people of Karnataka.